welcome back. Excuse my appearance, I'm actually off today. As you can see, Trey is back there in the corner eating his little fruit snacks. But I'm actually I'm headed to the beauty supply store to try to find me a cute like curly U-part wig, just something that I can just wear with my actual like natural hair as my actual leave out. Because I'm not in the mood to do my hair at all, so I just kind of feel like I can find me a cute U-part wig. I could just put it on and just untwist the front of my hair, just make it blend in, just kind of keep it going from there. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I have so much to do when I get back home. My house looked like a freaking disaster, so I'm gonna try to do some cleaning today, and I go back to work tomorrow. So I don't want to do too much, but just enough to where I can stop moving the camera, but just enough to where I can get myself at a good point to start off the week. So I may not vlog in the actual store since he's with me, but I just may vlog once I get back home. So I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, you guys, so yesterday at the beauty supply store, I purchased two quick weaves. Just to try something out different. This one is going to be the Ultra Quick Weave. It's a really cute like curly style, and I thought it would be really cute to kind of mix it with my actual hair. So I got it in S1B33. They didn't have just the 1B by itself, so I'm hoping this one is going to actually match with my actual hair color. And it's called Cassie, so I'm going to put this on today for work, and hopefully I like it. Then I have the Ultra Quick Weave. This one is going to be in the style Bonita. I got it in 1B because 1B is my perfect color. And I think it's so cute. It's wavy, it's long, so cute for summer. So I'm gonna try this and see what happened. If you guys remember, I already had my hair like twisted up from yesterday. Cause if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna put my hair in like a twist out. But I did leave this top part out, so I could just blend it in with the actual weave. I have so many loose pieces that have to get cut back here, but anyways, so I'm going to take this down to blend in with the hair and see what happens. All right, and this is what it's looking like. It is so stinking cute. I just gel down the front of my edges right there, and I have a little part in the middle, but it looks so cute, and it blends really nicely with my hair. Like, it looks so good. Hey y'all, so today is, I want to say a week since I last vlogged, but excuse my appearance, I'm just at home chilling today. I actually have to wash my hair today as we speak, so please excuse that. But yesterday I did so much like cleaning, rearranging, just trying to get my house to look somewhat organized. Like, I want to say I declutter so much stuff, and I really wanted to like film a whole like declutter video, but it was just so much, and I was trying to like figure out what I wanted to do, so I didn't want to like actually film it because I was just all over the place between my beauty room, my bedroom, my bathroom. I was just all over. So my actual beauty room, I have been really wanting to decorate it, but since I am now, I thought I saw something on my wall. But since I'm now pregnant, this room, which is my beauty room, will have to be baby's number 2 room, because you guys know we have the master, we have Trey's bedroom, we have the guest bedroom, and then we have this extra bedroom. So it will have to be baby's number 2 room. So as you guys saw in Trey's clean with me toddler bedroom video, whatever, he has a pretty big bedroom. So if it's another boy, I don't mind having them share a room temporarily together, and then eventually bring the other child into his own room. If it's a girl, of course, she would have to have her own room. And you guys know Trey is 2, and my due date is January 4th. So by the time next year roll around, he will be 3. So I just kind of feel like they won't be in the same room for too long. So I didn't want to do too much decorating in this room, because I always knew in the back of my mind it was never a permanent place for me in terms of like a actual beauty room. It was just a space for me to use temporarily because I had you know, I had nothing else to do with it. So I did still want to do something to the room, but I didn't want to do anything that didn't make any sense because, again, of baby number 2. So what I did get, I'm going to show you guys yesterday, which I love. So excuse the trash. I was again decluttering yesterday, but I did buy this 6-cube organizer. I gotta take these numbers off of it, but I did buy this 6-cube organizer from Walmart, and I also bought the baskets from Walmart again to go in there. I'm just gonna put something right here and there just to like decorate with. And then I just kind of threw these on top. And the only reason why I got white was because I knew it was a really good neutral color that's going to work with either a boy or girl. And you guys know Trey has a gray cube in his room. His is 4, where this one is 6. So when the next baby comes, they will have their own cube that I can use as storage. And then I actually have a nude cube organizer like this in my bathroom that I'm going to show you guys. So if it's a girl, she can definitely keep this as her storage container. And if it's a boy, I did purchase some nude cubes that I can put in here. And then I would take these out and put it in my bathroom, which I will show you guys shortly. So I did put this up yesterday. And then in the closet, I do store like miscellaneous items. I actually decluttered this closet yesterday. So all I have left is just this container of my stuff. This is pretty much just my suitcase, and of course just my equipment to film is all of this over here. And then I just keep my extra like pillows and stuff for the couch down here. But besides that, I did a lot of decluttering in here yesterday, so I was very happy with that. And then all of this I have to finish decluttering, but I would do that in an actual like video, like a clean with me beauty room edition video. And then over here I had a white plastic container like this, and I actually decluttered all of that, and I just kept it just down to 1. So very happy about that. Again, I'm gonna do an actual like clean with me declutter my beauty room because I need to get it back organized, but I'm gonna just put it in the actual video, which you guys will see shortly. All right, and then we're downstairs. So I did put up some pictures on my wall. I feel like a grown-up because I actually have stuff on my wall. And then over here I have my wonderful floating shells, which I love. Let me take you guys closer up. So I just have this cute little flower pot from Burlington Coat Factory, picture of me and Trey, Ricky, and of course Trey over here, this candle holder. That's Trey. I got that vase a long time ago, and then another pot in this candle. So I just wanted to do something that was like different, and I kind of feel like it balances each other out. Over here in this corner, I'm either thinking of doing a cute like basket with a cute like comforter or a throw coming out of it, or I was thinking of doing an actual like vase with the sticks just to go on either side, because this lamp is going to go away. So I just want something to put in these corners. So I kind of feel like whatever I pick have to fill up the space. So I'm leaning towards the base and the sticks, but I'm not sure yet. And you guys already seen this already. That was nothing new, but yeah, this is the new addition to my living room, which I'm very happy about. Let me turn on the light for the dining room. Okay, so I don't know if you guys ever seen my dining room table, but this is my little setup that I have. I got the placemats from Kohl's. I got the chargers from, I want to say it was one of those decoration stores. I want to say it was probably Michael's. I got the napkin holder from, no, I actually got this from Bed Bath and, nope, the Dollar Tree, I think. And I got this from Kohl's. And I got this from, I want to say Marshall's. It's been so long, y'all. It's like since last year, but I don't think I ever showed you guys how I had it decorated. I got this from Burlington. The candles is from the Dollar Tree. And then these flower pots, I already had them. So I just love it. And I think it flows so nicely with my living room. I was using a blanket earlier, sorry. I had to wash the throw that goes right there because somebody had an accident on it. But yeah, I think it just flows with the blue. So you go some blue, my blue pillow, and it just flows really nicely over here. And then I got this cute wall art from Ross. I think it's so stinking cute, and I think it matches perfectly to the dining room. So I just love how it looks. I think it looks really good. So that's a new addition. That's it with the light off, so you could probably see it much better. But I think it's so cute, and I think it ties back nicely. So that's my new addition. And then over here, I just have these cute little candles. They have the shells on it. I got these from the Dollar Tree. This is pretty much a DIY from the Dollar Tree. I got this candle holder from Burlington. That is my store. And then I also have this other DIY from the Dollar Tree that I did myself. And then I just have my blue towels. And then I also have this from the Dollar Tree, and I had this from Burlington. So I'm actually cleaning today, so excuse my house. But for the most part, that's the new additions to the house. All right, moving into the bathroom. Hi, y'all see me? Hey, look at my bump. It's really small. You guys can see it's really tiny. But moving on, I did declutter and redo my closet. So these are the nude ones I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna put those 3 into the other bedroom if it's a boy, but for the most part they'll stay in here for now. And I just have my skincare products in here, more skincare products. Of course I have my feminine products, but I don't need those right now. And I have hair products in here. Ricky stuff is in here. And then my travel size items are in here. This is the container that came from my beauty room that I cleared out. I just brought it in here as actual storage. That way, once I actually put my like towels and washcloths and whatever, I can use it as extra space. So I didn't want to throw it away, but it's in here for now. I did have some brown containers that I moved into my bedroom. These used to live in my bathroom as actual storage, which was living right here. But I went ahead and I cleared everything out, which is now in the organizers that I showed you guys. So that way I can have this space, because my vanity is going to have to go somewhere when the child comes. So I figured I can just put my desk in here if need be. I don't know. I'm still trying to like figure everything out, but I went ahead and just cleared this space out for now. And then under my sink, I organized it a little bit better. So I have all my shampoos and conditioners over here. Deep conditioners live in this basket, plus any detanglers or leave-in sprays, and all my styling products live in this basket. So again, I was pretty much just organizing and decluttering yesterday because I'm trying to just figure everything out in my head. So I'm really hoping to have everything figured out soon. I just kind of feel like if I can just make sense of my space, I would probably feel less stressed out. But I want to say I threw away like 3 or 4 bags of like stuff that I just was like, go away. Like I got rid of so much stuff, so I feel better. I still have more ways to go, so I will definitely show you guys the final product when I'm 100% done. And we actually have a new bedroom set, thank God. I will show you guys my new bedroom set, but my bedroom looks, it's not messy, but I was just laying in bed and I did not want to have to refold my bed to show you guys to go back in it again. I don't know, but I want to show you guys my bedroom when it's, I'll say 75% complete. We're almost there. I'll probably show you guys in like a next vlog or something, but yeah, you guys, that's pretty much just what I've been doing, is just trying to get the house semi done. I don't need the house to be 100% done because I feel like it will never be 100% done, but I want it to be like just semi complete. That way when the baby comes, I'm not worried about anything. And you guys probably feel like excited, like you're only 14 weeks, calm down. But y'all know I work in retail, and when holiday season comes, which is pretty much for us November, December, January, it's chaotic. And unfortunately, I will be in my third trimester during holiday season, which I'm kind of like stressed about, because with Trey, I was actually in my second trimester during holiday season. And y'all know that's like the best trimester is your second trimester. So it was a little bit easier for me. And you know, to be in my third trimester during holiday, I want to get as much as I can get done in my second trimester, because holiday for us is crazy. We work longer hours. I'm going to be even more tired. I just kind of feel like if I can just get a head start now, why not? So yeah, so I'm hoping in August we will find out the gender. I do want to do a gender reveal, so we probably won't really know what it is until September, probably, because the gender reveal will probably be in September. So we'll see. But yeah, you guys, I missed you guys so much. I feel like vlogging will be so much easier for me because, y'all, I have not been wanting to like put on makeup or buy makeup. Like, I have not been in the mood for that. I have just been buying house stuff and just adulting and trying to get my house together. I have really been enjoying like clean with me videos. Like, those videos actually work in terms of like cleaning, because I would honestly just turn it on and I would go like full blown like cleaning in my house. Like, those videos actually work. I did a clean with me for Trey's playroom, which you guys should be seeing soon. And then I do want to do a get ready with me first trimester update video versus me just talking to you guys about it. I'd rather just film it and just do my makeup. So I think that'll be fun versus just me talking to you guys about my first trimester. So be on the lookout for that. And I think that's pretty much it. I feel so out of breath. I don't know why, but I do. But I think that's it, you guys. I don't think I'm missing anything else. And I look a hot mess, but it's okay. This is reality. I need to go comb my hair and wash my hair now. So I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.